Hi, Jared. I think this is really good fun. It's quite interesting, quite structural. It does a couple things really well. It's well branded, and you do a fine job of giving us images of the desserts here. I like that they're on either sides of the cubes. It works really well to get our attention because of the overall form of it and the very strong imagery. The craftsmanship also looks absolutely fantastic. The only place that I do think that it comes up short are the group the layout of the centered text here. Very uninteresting approach compared to the rest of your merchandiser here. The rest of it is very dynamic, visually interesting, and we get to this text and it just kind of dies on the side of the cube here. The one other concern I would have is the complexity of the construction here, and that it may take longer to construct than what the client was looking for, something quick and simple. But that said, I think the overall impact of it is really quite impressive and visually dynamic, and I think that you've created something very creative and interesting here. So good job.